Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to this writing lesson. Today we review drinks and present simple negative sentences through writing.
Great. I want to practice writing short English sentences.
First activity, listen and write. You listen to a short text and write the words you hear. Second activity, make a sentence. You use drink words to write your own simple sentences.
That sounds useful for my writing practice.
Great. Let's start with listen and write. Listen and write. This activity is a dictation. I will read a text aloud, and you write what you hear.
Okay, I will listen carefully.
Step 1. Listen to the whole text. First, listen once to understand the general idea. Step 2. Write what you hear. During the dictation, write the words and short sentences you hear. Step 3. Check and correct. After writing, compare your text with the original and fix mistakes.
I am ready with my notebook.
Good. Pencils ready. Let's begin the dictation. On Monday, I drink water with breakfast. My sister does not drink coffee, and she doesn't like soda. We do not buy orange juice today because it is expensive. After school, Tom has milk, but he does not want tea. Now, I will read the text little by little. Are you ready, Nexo?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Write each part carefully now. On Monday. I drink water with breakfast. My sister does not drink coffee. And she doesn't like soda. We do not buy orange juice today.
Because it is expensive.
After school. Tom has milk. but he does not want tea. Well done, everyone. You finished the dictation. Nexo, how was it for you?
It was short, but I needed to focus.
Now compare your writing with the original text and correct your mistakes.
Make a sentence.
Now we will build 6 sentences, one for each main word. You can use 20 helper words and try to use present, simple, negative forms.
That will help me write better sentences.
See an example. First, we will listen to Nexo do the exercise, so you have a model. Make your sentences. Then, you create your own sentences with the main words and helper words. Nexo, are you ready to try the example?
Yes, I am ready. Water. I drink water with lunch. Milk. She doesn't drink milk in the morning. Orange juice. We do not have orange juice today. Coffee. He doesn't drink coffee. Tea. They don't want tea now. Soda. I don't like soda.
Great work, Nexo. Now it is your turn. Pause the video and complete the 6 sentences. Good job. Good job. You practiced writing with drink words and negative sentences. Thanks for joining this writing lesson. And see you next time.